Buddy. Buddy, we got stairs. Came out nice too, man. Buddy, that was one of the smoothest stair installs I've ever done, and definitely the smoothest one you and I have ever done. Not gonna freaking lie. Put a little coupler here, straight line. It's tough to get the straight line because this gets in the way, so put the couplers there. And we got the level on the stairs. All right, everybody, here's the deal. We're ready for concrete, so made a little mixing pad right here so that we can kind of just mix, dump, and that'll be the plan of attack. So, you know, basically, this is our A-frame setup right here. We did use 3/8 inch fender washers. Might be slightly off. Maybe add one more shim there. Okay, a little tweaking. Yeah, that looks better. That's nice and level. All right. Nice cove. Look underneath. And put a couple of rebars through the hole. And we'll pour concrete. Whoa. Josh, you want to go feed Steve the donkey? Yeah,
But like that big one, if you just hold it, he'll take as much as he wants off of it. That's a good piece. Chubsy. Percy, come and eat.
Want a carrot too? Well, come here and get a carrot.
So now he knows who Josh is.
That's,
Like, that was a big one.
that's Steve's buddy.
They know the people they like and the ones they like.
Percy, come say hi.
Here he comes.
Oh, I caught it.
He's getting jelly.
Percy's the boss, but Stevie protects him.
Do you want one?
They're like, yeah.
Good boy.
Yeah, all right.
Hey.
Oh, that's nice.
Stevie, chew your food first.
Hi, Steve.
Trying to split it even between
My
you
name's
guys.
Steve too.
Good name.
Oh.
Get it, Percy.
Yeah, you got it.
Well, go no more. That's
No
what
more.
we say.
We'll bring more tomorrow.
Percy's like, I
Nope,
got that.
All right, that's it for the stairs today. They look beautiful.